Good morning, students. Today we will study about mirrors and reflections. We all use mirrors at home. You look into the mirror and see your own face inside the mirror. So, actually, what you see in the mirror? It is actually the reflection of your face in the mirror. If any object is kept in front of mirror, you can see reflection of those objects in the mirror. Sometimes we see reflections of trees, buildings and other objects in the water of a pond or a lake. Now we see one activity which is given in your NCERT book. This activity must be done in a dark room. For this, you need two friends, one mirror and a torch. You can see in figure, one friend is holding the mirror at one corner of the room, other is standing at the other corner with a torch. Now, the beam of the torch light is directed onto the mirror and you can see a patch of light onto the mirror that your friend is holding. Next, you can adjust the direction of the torch so that the patch of light falls on another. So children, this activity shows that a mirror can change the direction of light that falls on it. So next we will see reflection of light. When light falls on a surface, it bounces back in the same medium in which it was traveling earlier, and this phenomenon is referred to as reflection. Now, the amount of light reflected depends on the nature of the object. If the object is opaque, maximum light gets reflected. Now, while being reflected, it follows certain rules, and these rules are known as laws of reflection. So, next we will see what are these laws of reflection. So, there are two laws of reflection. First is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second is the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence and the reflected ray lie in the same plane. Next we will see definition of terms related to reflection. You can see in figure, children. First we take incident ray. A ray of light moving towards the surface is called incident ray. Second is point of incidence. It is the point on the surface where the incident ray strikes. Third is normal. In this figure it is denoted by ON. It is an imaginary straight line which makes an angle of 90 degree with the surface at the point of incidence. Next is angle of incidence. It is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. It is denoted by small I. Next term is reflected ray. On striking the surface, the incident ray bounces back or is reflected along a different direction in the same medium in which it was traveling earlier. This ray moving away from the surface is known as reflected ray. And the last term is angle of reflection. It is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal, and it is denoted by small r. So children, you will learn all these terms and the definitions. Thank you.